When I was younger, I thought I needed a degree to earn well. I thought success came from working harder or waiting for the right job. But the truth, the most powerful thing I ever learned, wasn't taught in school. It wasn't math or science or even English. It was a skill, one that pays you forever. Not for a month, not for a year, forever. That skill, learning how to learn. Because once I mastered that, everything changed. I could learn sales, design, writing, marketing, AI, anything. And every new skill became income. You see, rich people don't chase jobs. They build skills, stack them, and then use them like tools. One learns how to write, another how to sell. One learns Excel, another builds websites. The best part, all of it is online, for free. But most people don't learn. They scroll, wait, wish. So if you want a skill that never expires, never stops paying, start with this. Become a learner. Pick one high-income skill today. Give it 30 days, and I promise your future self will thank you. Because the real flex is knowing you'll never be broke again. Not because of luck, but because of what you learned.